Dick. Can I have the police, please? M66. No, I'm not opening the door. No, I'm not opening the door. I'm not opening the door. I'm not opening the door. Can I have the police, please? Sorry. Police. I've just hit a car on the M65, just after Gano Top, heading towards Nelson and Colne. He's undertook me and brake checked me. He's effing and blinding out the outside. I'm in a coach on the school run. He's trying to get in my vehicle. I'm on the hard shoulder now. It's only minor, but it's the manner of this driver's attitude. Uh, 7, 8, 9, 10. Junction 10. Heading eastbound. Job. It's just give me 2 fingers and I think he's going to drive away. He's driving away. No, he's driven off. It's all on dash cam. I'm going to carry on. I don't need the police now. I'll sort it out when I get back to my depot.